About in the warm-up and gone over in the objective, we're working on navigating a textbook. All right, we're primarily going to focus on the index. All right, give me some information from you guys. What do you know? Where would you find the index in the book?
The back of the book.
The back of the book. Okay, is it always in the back of the book?
No. Yes. Sometimes it's in the front.
Majority of the time, it's going to be in the back of the book. Probably like 90% of the times. Okay. What is the index? What do you need the index for?
To navigate.
So what information are you finding in the index?
Like the bold words and the keywords.
There are keywords.
And it shows you like, what's that? Headings.
Headings?
Yes.
Yeah, so there's some headings. So it's going to be the important information that's covered in the book, and it's also going to be names of people that are in the book that you may need to revert back to. Because sometimes you know what information you're looking for, but you're not quite sure where the page is. So the index gives you the page number. Also, you can see in the index, to see some of you guys have already found it, there's more than one page number next to some of the words, some of the information. What does that mean if there's more than one page number? Anaya, thank you for raising your hand.
It's like you can find it with them pages. Find like the information within the pages.
So what's it saying? That is it just on one page?
No, it's just on one.
It's just more information on other pages.
Right, regarding that same thing. So say a word, let's look, say like glands. If you go flip to the glands and the G, where the G's are. So flip to the page where you say glands. Alright, it has on there's 3 different pages. So on page 165 you can find the word glands or information on glands, but also on what page can you find?
163.
163. Alright, that leads me into another thing. What's the difference between 163 and the other 2 page numbers in the index there?
The difference between both of them is that it's
Just look how it's written. Don't overthink it. Just look how the number is written compared to the other 2 numbers. Eleazar?
It's with the original page where it was used at.
Well, not really the original page, but you see it's italicized. Alright? You know what italicized is, where the words are slanted, so that means it's something a little different. If you go to the beginning of the index on page 308, look at the top there. What does that say at the top?
Page numbers and italics refer to art and word marginal features.
Okay, so what is that saying? That if it's in italics, what are you going to find on that page?
Pictures.
Pictures or some other captions or sometimes examples. You may be in the margin and get some more information that way. So that's what's called a note from the author. So sometimes in the books the author will put a note in to help let you know what the different types of the fonts mean in the book. Okay. If you also look at some of these multiple page numbers, you see that there's commas between some of the numbers and some have a dash. What do you think that means? Let's see, for example, let's look under character where it says character and respect. That's the subheading. So the heading is character, the subheading is character and respect. You see how it's page 5, comma, page 72, comma, 124, comma. Alright, what's that information telling you? How many pages it's on? As compared to, let's see, look right to the left of that where it says breathing, and you can see it's 160, 200, and then it says 273-74. So what I'm asking for is the difference between the comma and the dash.
the dashes.
Okay. I think
Yeah, what do you think? Go ahead, what
the
do you
dash
think?
is like the page numbers.
Or continue.
It continues, right? So the comma means that it's on page 163, then it stops and it's on page 165. Where it's a dash where it says, say for breathing here, 273-274 means the information runs from 273 to 274. Alright, so what I want you to do now is using this worksheet and the information that we got to answer these questions that'll help guide you through the text.